Alright, we have the question, simplify the following algebraic expressions. In the previous lecture we were learning how to add algebraic fractions. In today's lesson we will study how to cancel out, or how to simplify into the simplest form the algebraic expression. In the first question we have 42xyz divided by 56. We have 42 times x times y times z divided by 56. All the terms in the numerator are being multiplied, and we have a single term in the denominator. What we have to do, can we cancel out x, y or z? No, we do not have x, neither y, neither z in the denominator. We cannot cancel out the variables. Let's move on to the numbers. We have 42 in the numerator and we have 56 in the denominator. The number that can completely divide 42 and 56 can be we have 2 times 2 equals 4 and 2 times 1 equals 2. Then we have 2 times 2 equals 4 and 2 times 8 equals 16. We can further simplify this. We can have 7 times 4 equals 28 and 7 times 3 equals 21. What is the answer? We get the answer. We have 3 in the numerator, 3 x, y and z divided by, we are left with what? We are left with 4. So what did we have? We had 42xyz divided by 56. We cannot cancel out the variables because the variables are not present in the denominator. What can we cancel? We can cancel the number 42 by 56. We can have we cancel out 42 and 56. We got 3xyz in the numerator divided by 4. Then we have our next question, 45ab divided by 60 ABC. You can write 45 times A times B divided by 60 A times B times C. We can cancel out some variables here. As you can see, we have A in the numerator and denominator as well as B. Moving on to 45 by 60. Single number that contains both 45 and 16 is stable. We have 15. 15 times 3 equals 45 and 15 times 4 equals 60. What did we get in our answer? We are left with only 3 in the numerator divided by 4c. So our answer is 3 by 4c. Correct. Now we have our third question. We have 16mn. What we're going to do, we're going to write 16 times m times n divided by 18 times n. First, moving on to the variables, we have n that is common in numerator and denominator. We cannot cancel m. We have 16 by 18. 2 times 8 equals 16 and 2 times 9 equals 2 times 8 equals 16, 2 times 9 equals 18. Our answer is going to be, we are left with 8m in the numerator and 9 in the denominator. So what are we doing? We are cancelling the numbers that are both present in numerator and denominator as well as the variables. Moving on to the next question, we have 42x square y divided by 32xy. We're gonna write 40x square means x times y divided by 32x times y. First we will cancel out some variable if possible. As you can see, we have x that is common as well as y. Then we are left with 40 divided by 32. 40 divided by 32. We can cancel it out by 2. 2 times 1 equals 2 and 2 times 6 equals 12. Then we have 2 times 2 equals 2 and 0. We can further cancel it. We have 2 times 8 equals 16 and 2 times 10 equals 20. Two times 4 equals 8 and 2 times 5 equals 10. Or you can divide it into different steps. You can do 2 times 16 equals 32 and 2 times 20 equals 40. What are we left with in the numerator? 20x divided by 16. You can cancel it again. 2 times 8 equals 16, 2 times 10 equals 20. You can write another step. You are left with 10x divided by 8. 2 times 4 equals 8 and 2 times 5 equals 10. What is your answer? You are left with 5 in the numerator, 5x divided by 4. This is one way of doing it, or you can have 40 x times y divided by 32 x or y. You can simply cancel x with x and y with y. 8 times 5 equals 40 and 8 times 4 equals 32. But somehow in the exam you cannot think of the exact number. You can take it in through. You can just increase the steps, or you can directly cancel out. If you do not have a specific number in mind, you can take the longer method. Answer is going to same in both of them. Now we have the next question. We have 17cf divided by 34c cube. We're going to write 17 times c times f divided by 34 times c times c times c. First, looking out for variable, we have seen the numerator and denominator both. Then we have 17 times 1 equals 17 and 17 times 2 equals 34. We are left with f in the numerator and 2 c times c. What is c times c? C squared. We have our next question, 8x4 divided by 2x squared. We have 8, x4 means 4 x's being timed divided by 2, x squared means 2 x's being timed. 2 times 1 equals 2 and 2 times 4 equals 8. What is our answer? Our answer is going to be x 4. We have 2 x's in the numerator, that means x times x is x square, and we are left with nothing. We can write 1 or we can simply ignore it. So our answer here is 4x squared. Next we have 20x cube divided by 12x7. We have 20x cube divided by 12x7. We can split it. x7 means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can write this x cube. What is in the numerator? X cube. We can split x7 into x cube. How many x's are left? We are left with these x's. How many x's are these? 1, 2, 3, 4. X 4. X 3 times x 4. X7 or x 3 times x 4, that is the same thing. We will have x 3 plus 4, 7. You can split these into 2. Now we can easily cancel these out. We have x cube. We have 2 times 6 equals 12 and 2 times 5 equals 10.